right now, baby. Peace, what it is.
I see it.
Sun's in Cancer, the moon's in Libra. Okay, I'm gonna teach you something. Reason why this stuff is important. This astrology is life. Okay, you got 12 months of the year, 12 signs of the zodiac, 365 days, 360 degrees in the zodiac. The reason why you have 365 days of your year is because of the 360 degrees of the zodiac. My son trying to jump in. Okay, so peep this what I'm saying. Ma, chill out. Okay, listen. The moon right now is in Libra. It's two things. Number one, around 8 o'clock tonight. So today is the Thursday, the 20th. Maybe 20th. It doesn't matter. The day this came out, whatever day it is, Thursday, whatever date, the moon gonna go into Scorpio at 8 o'clock tonight. I want y'all, you know, if you watch this after that or if you watch this before that, to think about that time. You know, if it's before, obviously, around that time, just start seeing, just sit back for a second, peep the scene. If you're around other people or if you're by yourself, just start thinking, start acknowledging the thoughts that come into your mind, the emotions that you feel, okay? Meditate, all right, if you're by yourself. Because the moon won't be switching signs. If you are sensitive enough, you'll feel the energy. And even if you're not, you'll see it if you're looking for it. You see what I'm saying? So being that the sun is in a water sign and the moon is about to hit a water sign, it's gonna be a lot of emotions, you know. You may see people jamming outside a lot. You know, you may hear the music get turned up a little bit around 8 or 9 o'clock tonight. I don't know. You know, it may be some problems, because that's that Scorpio energy, that's that war energy. Like, you know, something may pop off. Okay, just sit back and look. You know, who knows what's gonna happen? Because it's other things in the sky right now that's a factor, of course. But if you just pay attention to the moon, you can start to understand how things go. You know, take it one thing at a time. Now, the other reason why this is important is, you see, he's trying to get in the video. The moon's in Libra. He's a Libra. It's my son. He's a Libra. Okay. So I know, me and my wife already know, whenever the moon is in Libra, because that's where his sun is, or whenever the moon is in Gemini, because that's where his moon is, that he gonna be a little extra. You see what I'm saying? You can monitor your child with this stuff. It ain't okay. This is real. Your hands dirty? Okay, see, he a Libra. He like everything to be perfect. When his hands get dirty, it's a problem. He needs to stop. He'll be eating food, stop eating, and go wash his hands and come back. You see? So, but I understand he gonna have a little more energy. Had yesterday and the day before. You know, he gonna have a little more, you know, he gonna be a little bit more, you know, jumpy, because the moon is in his sign of his sun sign. You see? That's how it works. Use this stuff, man, to understand the people around you. You have a better understanding of the people around you. You have a better understanding of yourself. You have a better understanding of nature. You have a better understanding of our Creator. And that's what it's about. Understanding our Creator. So, Mom, get out of my video. So, you know, get you a reading from me. 20. Mom, sit back and sit down. You get you a reading from me, you know, $20. I'll give you a 20 minute plus video. It's gonna be longer than 20 minutes. Okay. And I'll give you the tools to start studying yourself. You start with yourself, and then you branch out to others. You branch out to the ones closest to you. For parents, your children, number one, man. You know, like we want to put our children in stuff. We want to, you know what I mean? Like, you know, if he's good in sports, we'll put him in sports. We try to get him in sports early because that's what they're good at. If you look at your child's Jupiter sign, you'll know what they naturally talented at, and they sun sign. You see what I'm saying? Like, my son is a 29 degree Libra. That's a master Libra, and I tell you, this little boy, that boy, he is that. I'm telling you. You understand what I'm saying? It's crazy. And then his Mars is in is in Virgo and his Jupiter is in Pisces. I mean, not Pisces. Jupiter is in Cancer. All right. He like, you see, so I study my child. I study my wife. You know, I have an idea of something. Okay, I'll give you another example. My daughter is an Aries. Two of my daughters are Aries. But one is the older one, so you know she don't count because she don't get into it with him as much. But my 7-year-old, he foiled my 7-year-old. Them two argue and fight all goddamn day when she be over mine. All day, because it's an Aries and a Libra, exact opposite signs. But when they are playing together, they play well together and they have a lot of fun. See, there's the opposite signs. You know, you either gonna mesh or you gonna clash with the opposite. That's me and my wife. You know, when we arguing, we don't really want to be around each other. But then when we, you know what I'm saying? But the majority of the time of our lives, we love being around each other. We mesh well. So, you know, just, it's endless. It's endless. I see. It's endless where we can go with this. That's why I give you the tools to start studying yourself, because ain't no telling what you want to know. I don't know what you want to know. You know, y'all don't hit me with questions. Y'all just say your birthday and you want to read. So I'm giving you I'm giving you the tools so you can go find out whatever you want to know for yourself. And you ain't got to come back to me. I am attempting to empower you. I want everybody to be just as astute as me in this. Yes. Nobody will fall because everyone will beat each other's crutches. I hope you fools choose to listen, not your jewels busted. Jay-Z. When I used to like the motherfucker. Anyway, peace and love. Take it easy.